Hey there, welcome back to Greenhouse, your go-to podcast for all things solar. I'm your host, Ron, and today we have an important topic to discuss, and that's the main service panel upgrade. So if you're considering electrical renovations or upgrades to your home, it's really crucial to understand what a main service panel upgrade is and why it's essential to have it up to code. So with that in mind, let's dive in and explore all the fun details. So let's start with the burning question. What exactly is the main service panel? Well, it's the central hub that distributes electricity throughout your entire home. You see, it receives power from the utility company and distributes it to various circuits around your home, ensuring that electricity reaches all of your outlets, your lights, your appliances, all of that kind of stuff. So now let's talk about why it's important to have it up to code. Okay, so importance number one, and this might be obvious, but safety first, right? The primary reason for having a main service panel up to code is safety. The electrical system in your home must, and it's important that it must meet current safety standards to minimize the risk of electrical shocks, electrocution, fires, all of those kinds of terrible things. Outdated or insufficient main service panels, well, they may not be equipped to handle the electrical demands of today's modern living, leading to overloading and potential safety risks. So upgrading the panel ensures that it can safely accommodate your home's electrical needs and reduces the risks of electrical accidents. Now, importance number two, compliance with regulations. Another important and critical aspect of having a main service panel up to code is compliance with all the electrical regulations and building codes. These codes aren't in place just for the heck of it. They're in place to ensure electrical systems are installed and maintained in a safe and efficient manner. So, local electrical codes may specify requirements for panel capacity, the wiring, grounding, and other safety features. By upgrading your main service panel to meet the code requirements, well, you ensure that your electrical system is compliant with all the regulations so that you avoid potential penalties, which you don't want, or issues when selling or insuring your home. Now on to importance number three, electrical capacity and efficiency. Today's homes have extremely increased electrical demands due to all the electrical devices, appliances, and all the home automation systems that we have today in our homes. Think about it. An outdated main service panel that was created decades and decades ago, it may not be sufficient in capacity to handle these increased electrical loads. That could result in frequent tripping of circuit breakers or overloading the circuits themselves. Upgrading the service panel, well, it allows for increased electrical capacity, making sure that your home can handle all the demands of today's modern living in an efficient and effective manner. Okay, we're at importance number four, home value and future-proofing. So upgrading your main service panel not only enhances all the safety and the compliance, but it also adds value to your home. So when there's a property assessment, prospective buyers or appraisers, well, they often consider the condition and capacity of the electrical system. A properly upgraded and up-to-code main service panel reflects a well-maintained and modernized electrical system, increasing the value and the marketability of your home. And listen, 30 years ago today, who knew we were going to have all of the modern electrical appliances and other things we have today? So upgrading your panel, well, it future-proofs your home for the electrical needs that we have no idea are going to come down the path with future advancements in technology. So that wraps up today's discussion on the main service panel upgrade and its importance in being up to code. From safety and compliance to electrical capacity and future-proofing, it's crucial to prioritize the condition of your electrical system. And remember, electrical upgrades should always be performed by a qualified professional to ensure the work is done safely and in accordance with all the electrical codes. As always, thank you so much for joining us and watching here at Greenhouse. Stay tuned for more enlightening episodes on sustainable living. Until next time, stay green.